Okay, let's talk about tools. If you right click in the tools, we have align, distribute, scatter, stacks, step and repeat, circular step and repeat, and all other tools. First, I want to explain align. For example, we have two kind of box here, and we want to align them with each other. If you select nothing and go to the tool, you can see everything is turned off because you have to select something. With holding control, you can select tools, select object, and then right click in the tool, click align. And this is an align window. It tells you align based on what shape, selection, K object. You can see we have these objects are the same one, and based on, for example, this object. You want to align these objects based on this K object or all the scene, just K object, this book number 2. And we want to align to X or Y. Align to the X, leave as it is, which means do nothing. Maximum, this is the minimum or maximum distance of that, but I want to align to the center of this. You can see this object align to that. Or align based on y-axis. They are snapping to each other. So leave as it is. So this is an align. Or you want to align based all the selection. Right? Align which axis do you want? Allow selection and center. It calculates the center of the all object that's here. You can see the center is this part, the gizmo is, and base align shape to selection. It means all the object that is selected, align it based on this center. The OK. Or you can align based on Z axis.